recording. Don't record me.
Daddy! Oh, Daddy! Look! Hi!
Hi. Hi, vlog. Hi, vlog. We're about to hop in the shower. Hazel just decided to say, I vlog. So I gave it to her. Go get in the shower. Hazel and I are starting our day at the park. We are going to be at our last La Leche League meeting. I loved this group. They were really instrumental in helping me with my breastfeeding, and you guys wouldn't have heard and I'm nursing a baby all year if it hadn't been for this group. So I'm thankful and excited to see them. I'm not sure if any of them want to be in the vlog, but just telling you what we're doing. Hazel's with her friend Riley. This is so sad. Like, I'm seriously about to cry because this is like the last time we're gonna see them before we go to North Carolina. I really hope that once we come back we can hang out again, but this is really sad. Can you give hugs to your friend Riley? Oh, say bye.
Bye!
Love you. Do you want to tell her?
You tell her, love you!
Oh, she wants another hug. Hazel, do you want another hug? She says, all done. Can I have a hug, Riley? Oh. Thank you. Oh, that's a good hug.
She's a great hugger. Oh, kisses and hugs. I love it. So sweet, girls.
Oh.
Hello. Welcome back. We just are down in Kristen's old neighborhood where her mom used to live, picking up some mail and picking up some stuff that Becky left.
You already got bit by a mosquito, little sucker.
Hazel really wants to see Shadow. The doggy. Where's Shadow?
Maybe he could be at Miss Bonnie's house. I don't know. Maybe she brought him over there. Let's go look. It's your buddy.
Hey, Shadow.
There he is. You can't go out, Shadow. It's too hot for you
hot.
anyway. You're Shadow.
Just who you wanted to see. Are you happy?
So are you in town? We got another one on the other side. She's seen. Yeah.
Ah. Her little cheeks are so red because we've been so
Yeah.
hot.
Bye-bye.
Bye. We're going to North Carolina.
Bye-bye, Shadow.
11:32.
Oh, you want to tell Miss Bonnie bye? You want to give
Do
her
I
a
get a
hug?
hug? Can I? No, run from me. Run. Run.
You want to give Miss Bonnie a hug and kiss?
No.
She would love it.
Can I have a hug? Oh.
That's sweet. How about Shadow?
Shadow's more important than Miss Bonnie.
No. Alright, so that was our trip to Marsha's house. Last trip before we go to North Carolina. I had to pick up some of my mom's mail that had been coming here, and then Hazel just had to see Mr. Shadow. I'm really disappointed that we couldn't see Marsha. She had to work this afternoon and she didn't know about our She didn't know about our plans to come to her house, so, and we just actually made these plans yesterday, so we couldn't let her know in advance either. Now what are we doing? Going home?
What's for dinner?
I was thinking cakes by Stephanie.
That's not dinner.
Hazel wants popcorn. It is so hot. God is prepping us for North Carolina. That's for sure. What's our weather saying here? Our weather?
94.
94. My mom told me today that she has a little mini pool for Hazel from Aldi. It's probably just like a little pool like she had yesterday at my in-laws. And then she also said that my mom's friend Dave made Hazel a little sandbox too. So she'll have sand and water. She'll be a happy camper. Yay! Can't wait to go on Monday. I'm a little nervous, but very excited. In 6 days we will be there. I'm sitting like this because my legs are sticking to the seat. It is so hot, but we're in Monroe, which is like where I grew up, kind of. And we were passing a sign for Calder's Dairy, and that's like the place to go, you know? Like, it's a little farm, a dairy farm, and they have fresh ice cream there. bunch of animals. It's Hazel's dream come true. It was always my dream come true when I was a kid too. You can feed the ducks, fish, there's a ton to do. And then you get ice cream. So I was like, we're here, let's do it. And Sean's like, alright, fine. Yeah, we got stuck by a train and I look back. Hazel's sleeping. So we're like, what do we do? Do we wake her up? It's almost 5 o'clock. It's 5 minutes to 5. So Sean was like ready to turn around and I was like, well, honestly, it's a really bumpy road. That country roads. The battery went dead. That's what just happened there. We're thinking about turning around and going home and just letting her sleep. But it's almost 5 and we don't think that she should sleep all day. In the evening, we want her to still go to bed at a decent time. So we're just gonna let her sleep a little short cat nap and wake her up and she'll be happy to see all the animals. We hope. That's the theory. So you'll see how it goes.
La la la, Elmo song. La 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 la, la 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 la, Elmo song.
I like it.
La la la, la 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 la.
To think he wrote this alone. Wait, yeah, I wish I had a song.
Yeah, but Big Rocket's here, Elmo.
How?
Well, just sing Big.
She's not waking up. But we deserve ice cream.
Hazel, you want to see the animals?
You wanna go see animals?
There's a cow. There's ducks.
You want ice cream? Hazel, you want ice cream? Hazel! I mean, like, what else can you say besides ice cream to, like, be more exciting? You want ice cream? You want to see Gabby and Amelia? Alright, I'm about to go into the store and see if they're about to close or not. Sean thinks they're going to close at 5. It's 5:06. So I'm going to see if they have any food besides ice cream because we are very hungry. And we're going to just go in and get ice cream and come back and wait for her to sleep like a little bit longer and maybe...
She's clearly not waking up.
Yeah, we like hollered and turned on Elmo's song and I was like peeling her eyelids. She still wasn't waking up. Obviously she needs sleep. Sean thought this place was gonna be closed. I still see an open sign. We'll see what time they close. So I didn't film it all in there, but here's what I got. It's cookie dough. And Sean's face. It's a single. It's a lot of ice cream for a single. And I asked what time they close. 8 o'clock. Kristen's right. Again.
Look at all the fun stuff Hazel's missing out on. She could be riding on cows or looking at real cows and goats. She's just gonna be so upset she slept through this. She's awake. Hi. Tell them what you want to go see.
My goats.
Goats?
Goats.
Goats. Okay, we're gonna go look at the goats.
Bah.
Bah. Ducks.
Me too. I got
Oh, that's the horsey. Let's go say hello to the ducks. Look at all the duckies. Look at all the duckies. They're coming to say hello to you, Hazel. Look at the duckies. Come here. Look. Woo. What do you think, Hazel? You like the duckies? Aww, he was coming to say hello. Oh, now they're all resting. That's a piggy. There's actually a real chicken behind it. Go see the piggy. You wanna go see the chicken? You see the chicken behind? The chicken. Say hi, chicken. You telling him to come? You're so friendly. Let's go tell him. Say, come please. How do you call a duck? Quack, quack. Here. Yeah, more are coming. Here comes mommy.
Oh.
Look, look, look. Oh, oh.
Gotcha! Look at her face.
Did it get your finger?
Should we
Yeah.
go get some more? Yeah, maybe we should get some food on the way.
Ooh, turn around, Hazel. Look at the big ones.
This is pond food. I don't know
Okay.
if they're allowed to have the pond food. Look, I see
Oh man, they know what's up. Hazel, what do you think? That one's taller than you.
this is like dog food. Okay, $2.50. Let's see if it's
Whoa.
this one. It looks so confident.
Mommy fed the ducky.
What are you doing?
Wow!
You want to do it, Hazel?
We gotta feed the little family of ducks over there too.
Put it in.
Here, hold your hand out.
Watch. Do you want to do it? Here, do it.
You gotta hold your hand out.
Oh!
Maybe I'm intimidating him by saying
No,
I'm so tall.
he's mad about these guys getting it. He's attacking them. He bit one. That's why.
I know. You okay? Hazel's face.
Put your hand out, Hazel.
Whoa!
Look, I'm gonna pet him.
You want to touch? Here, put it in.
No!
Okay, come here. Look. Look at him eat. We gotta get some more.
Oh, he bit him. Oh, you're mean. You're the only one who can eat?
He goosed him. There's the family, Hazel. All the babies. Let me have a pet thing.
Aw, babies. Come here, babies.
Babies.
There's a baby. You want to touch a baby, Hazel? Oh, the daddy's like, hey, 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 hey. It's funny how he's not bothering the little ones.
Mm-hmm.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Look, touch him. Touch him. Good job. There's the baby.
You want to do it, Hazel?
Whoa! An egg!
Yeah, they're
Put your
eating.
hand out, Hazel.
Put your hand out like this, Hazel. No, look. Hold it with Daddy.
Put your hand out.
Ooh. Don't hold
Oh,
it
you're
too
a Canadian goose.
He grabbed the fat right there.
Yeah, but it doesn't hurt.
This guy, man, he's got teeth. It's a goose.
I want a goose. Oh, you're petting the goose.
I'm trying to pet the little ducks over here.
Oh, she's touching them now.
Yeah.
Get a little one?
He's gonna goose Hazel.
If he gooses them, I'm gonna boot him.
Okay, we're going this way, Hazel. I'm filming you in case one of them decide to goose you.
You wanna watch him swim?
Ready, Hazel? Come stand by Daddy. Hold my hand.
Oh, do you see the cart?
Yeah. You see the big fish in there?
Whoa, big fish.
I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but they're huge.
Whoa, do you see him?
Yeah,
Hazel, do you see that big fish?
he's hanging out. We're calling the rest of the families over.
Woo!
Good job.
Okay, 3 more. Do it. Yay!
Look at all the families coming.
Oh my gosh, look at that fish.
Mhm.
I use it. Oh, they're gonna come close to you now. Here. Hi, she says. So here you go. Oh, don't knock my baby over. Oh, there.
You like them this close to you? You want your own baby ducks?
One's stepping on my foot.
Airplane.
Here's the teenagers again. Holy cow. Teenagers and babies together.
Whoa.
We're almost out, guys. Here,
Pet
you want
them.
to throw the last bit? Get the kid. Oh, they're snacky.
You see the baby goats?
Aw,
And
these
sheep?
ones are sheep, and then the next ones are goats.
Aww.
Baba black sheep.
Look at him.
Look, you put your hand out.
Look, watch mommy.
Get him.
Aww. You see him?
You want to do it? You gotta put your hand flat.
You're feeding the sheep.
Here, put your hand out. Here, put your hand out flat. Good. Okay, now hold your fingers out. You want it? The black one wants it.
So does the other two, but they can't reach. What do you think? Aw, you're petting the sheep. Gentle, just like a kitty or doggy. Is it soft?
Soft.
There's a bunny.
Oh my goodness. Run away, bunny.
Bye-bye.
Come here, you want to see it?
Billy goats. Look at, there's the mama with them. Should we say hello to the Billy goats? Are they eating solids yet, mommy?
I don't know.
Probably not.
It says you can feed the goats and the sheep.
Well, mommy's the one who needs it. She's supplying the milk.
Right. You want to give him food, Hazel? This one wants to be pet, Hazel. See?
trying to lick your fingers.
Whoa, this mama's serious now.
Oh, these guys are waiting for their next turn.
Aww. Hazel, look at all the lambs.
Look at the sheeps.
The sheeps. Hi, babies. They want to all be in the shade and get their food. Want to touch them? Touch over here, Hazel. That one doesn't want to be touched. Wow.
Aw, look at this one. He's like, I want to see you guys. I want to see you guys. Ooh, that's a beautiful peacock. And a miniature horse. Unless it's a baby. Hey. You see the rooster?
See the bunny? Look down.
Bunny! Bunny!
Go slow and quiet. Maybe you can pet it. Go slow and quiet. I'll be with you. You want to pet it?
Go ahead.
No, there are no touch.
No touch. Is that what you learned at the petting farm?
No.
Come over here, Hazel.
No, no.
Come here.
Chicken.
Chicken. Look at her.
Yeah, those are not free.
All right, let's look at the piggies.
Pig.
Hey,
Pig.
piggies.
Are these ones allowed to have this?
Do not feed the donkeys. Doesn't say anything about pigs.
Oh, it doesn't fit. Should I feed it? Do you want some? Do you want to touch it? It's all dirty. You can touch it. Feels kind of
He's
funny.
scratching his butt.
Hi, get down here. Want to touch him?
He's scared.
Look at all this food. These guys are set for life.
You want to touch the sheep?
Oh, no, it's a lot big.
It's a lot bigger. It's okay. You can stay with Daddy. Say, I got all this on the ground. Why do I need it from you? Aww. There you go. Is he soft?
Kind of poopy.
You want to touch a big billy goat? Come here. Look at the big billy goat with the horns.
Big bag.
Yeah, let's get your hand out of there.
Maybe this one wants food?
Yes, I would love food, thank you. Except not in my eyeball.
Sorry.
Oh,
It's
Kind
warm?
of warm.
Are you having fun?
Look, here's another goat
Where are
up
the
here.
horses?
Hi, goat.
How did you get in there?
Hazel, look, we're gonna send it up to the goat. He doesn't care.
Whoa, these guys heard it.
wow.
We got one going up the ramp. Last load. Going up.
Hazel's helping me do it. Round and round. Round and round. Push it up, 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 up.
Yum. All right.
This is dinner.
This guy looks like he's getting plumped up for Thanksgiving. Holy cow. That is a big turkey, Hazel. Say hello, turkey. He looks like he's hot. Time to see the cows. And look at these guys, they're huge. What is that, Hazel?
Like they're already thinking about
Cows.
investing themselves. Like,
Come on.
and I'm nursing a baby.
And she's nursing a baby.
Mommy.
Tell us how much fun you had with all the duckies and the goats and the donkeys and the cows.
Was it so fun?
This one.
You already want to go back?
Poop.
Oh.
Poop? You saw poop?
Cow.
Cow poop?
This down.
Moo. You want some of this?
Oh. Bacon.
Well, babe, thanks for the spur of the moment. Oh, we're going in a dark tunnel. Thanks for the spur of the moment agreeing to go to Calder's Dairy. It turned out to be a nice time. Hazel really enjoyed the animals. You wanted to say hi to the vlog? She said, Mama, Hazel vlogging.
We came home to a good cooked, home cooked meal. Thanks to Pops and Grammy.
And it was good.
But now it's time for bed. So that is where we're gonna leave you for today. Thanks for watching.
We'll see you in the next one.
Bye.